So today guys, we are gonna be revealing who is the next one. So walk to the straight line. This way Abby 245. Credits to you and shout out to you. Until to the very end and end. Oh, I got the what? Is that Flash? Why? Wait, I heard something. I heard let's say Hercule. That's his name. 3 times. I know his name is Hercule. Hercule. Wait, he took Flash. No, okay. Know what to say. You can run, but you can hide. So let's try again. There are a lot of secrets here, so be careful which one you might choose. Is the scariest one. So I heard about Flash that his name is Hercule. Funny, right? Wow. He has a channel that its name is Darkwood 444. Yeah, maybe. I can't do it because of this beta lens. So about Hercule, I know this story, but oh my god, how did we know that? Wait, what state was it? What state was the one? Oh, I don't think so. Wait, guys. So, about this knowing thing, I don't think it's bad, but it's actually nice. He just wants some friends. Okay, he just wants some friends. Hercule just wants friends. So don't worry. Hercule's not as bad as you think he is. Don't worry. And yo, I don't think Zaid is normal. I think Zaid is. The one that. Oh, up push there. Wait. Dog! I hate that girl. Wait, guys, let's check if the private server is free. Oh. Wait, guys, wait. So guys, Hercule is actually nice. I promise. Promise me. He just wants some friends, okay? Alright. As you can see, here's this time. Wait, web channel. Oh, it's web artifact. So, wait, I will just try to do that. By the way, guys, if I don't get finished this, I'll make a part 2 tomorrow. Yeah. I don't think he's bad. Yeah, promise me. He's not bad as you think. Let me zoom in. Wait. Secrecy. Wait. Drake is found something. Now. So, Hercules the one that made this. Which loves pie. Yeah, pie. It's on this t-shirt. Yeah. You see it earlier? When I go to the... I promise. It's just needs some friends. And on it. Oh, sorry for saying. Hi, chat. So, I don't think all of these random people. Wait a minute. Let's check it. Wait. No, followers. So. Oh, sorry for saying so. I think I say random words. Be careful or else one wrong move and you're dead.
The last major accident in South Korea's subway system was in 2003 when 192 were killed in a subway fire in the city, by which prompted major safety.
Okay guys, I'm ready. Find the note. Yeah. It's so easy because Flash said it. Suck. Where is it? So yeah. Oh yeah. Wait. Is it the bacon? Nah, I don't think so. Thank you. Okay. What riddles? Oh yeah, the Morse code. I don't know. I need... Oh, okay. Oh, I wonder what this Morse code is. So guys, wait. I'm gonna AFK. Wala. Wait guys. I'm talking to my silid. Paano kasi, Jade? May mga horror kasi to. Di mo lang nakikita.
Horror na wala kaya. Tignan mo, din ako sa'yo.
Tignan mo lang. Matay-teleport ako. Sa pink. Mamaya. Pag nasa pink na ako, ito. Mamaya pakita ko sa'yo. Pag nasa pink na ako. Okay. Okay. What are these comments? Do you play Forsaken? I play Forsaken in my other account though. It's named I love you so much 8886. All caps locks. Balls. The orange balls that is used in basketball. So kaya tulakin ko. Oh, sorry guys, I use other language. Sometimes I'm angry. We're gonna get to like that's karma for you. Oh, and I got karma.
Hindi pa na makaka-attend si Lamik eh. Si Lamik ko.
Oh, sorry guys. I'll pause the video first, okay? Okay guys, while I'm not in the pink state, I'm gonna talk here for a while. I'm gonna take a few days here. Just joking. Okay guys, do you all have like a Scarlet Macao? I'll trade it for avocado? I don't know. I play Grow Garden this in this account. Am I bad at English? I'm not. Oh, yes. Wait. I hate you. I suppose yeah. I'm gonna continue on. Wait a minute. I just realized something. When I record, I have good chance. That's just my imagination. For fixation. Door after door and they find out because digital I'm using it. So here it is. Ugh, I hate you. I hate you. So guys, I wish when I upload this video, it has subtitles. Yeah, subtitles. And please, when I edit this, can you hear me? Or do I have to really shout? So, I'm gonna remember you, whoever has so love my content. I don't know, yeah, I'm a little bit cramped. Hey, you can, I hate you. I don't know, what are you feeling? What are you looking for? Oh god. It takes twice. So guys, shall we head off to the web arcade first? Yeah, we should. So it's now here. His arrival. Okay. 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 So please, hackers, do not target me. It means a message to flush. Bruh. Okay. Okay. Now we're done. Post. Full. Okay. Hi guys. So this one's big. So guys, I think I have a theory, not a real one. Do you know the one that shows in the game when you're not gonna join? I mean, like the thumbnail, yeah, the thumbnail of this game. It's the big stage, so I think that's where it gets harder. That is where the secret is. It is supposed to. So that's why that's my theory. Okay, I suppose it's not real. Bro, I hate you. Let's get to 30 minutes. Oh, I'm gonna push all of this guys. Let's open that. With no more troubles. Okay. Quicker, Jasmine. Quick. Totally got trolled. You know what they... Okay. You know what they say? Karma is karma. I don't know. Wait a minute. What does you are with it? What is so? Okay, guys. Is it really? Okay, guys. It's 14 minutes to go.
Ano yung tawin mo? Huwag mo.
Candles.
Pa? Magulo pa po yung ano eh. Pa? Apo?
Okay, guys.
Layo po siya.
Ito? Eh, ilang isa doon ginamit
Okay,
to?
guys.
Layo talaga.
Guys, I wanna say goodbye. Thank you, y'all.